how to check if conversion tracking is working on Google Ads. Welcome guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can check if conversion tracking is working on Google Ads. There are a few steps you can do. One of them is to verify that Google Ads can see your tag and is recording conversions within your account. To check that, you want to click on the top bar, Tools and Settings, go to Conversions, and here you have the summary of all the conversions action you've created. You can see if it's working when you see the status as active. As you can see now, mine is inactive, but if it says it's active, it's working. Another method you can use is to go to tagassistant.google.com. On the right top, click on Install Extension. Follow the steps of the installation, and after this you can use this tool to see if it's working. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.